Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Gino. Today I am beyond excited to show you guys these amazing rosé gummy bears to kick off the new year. These are not only super sweet and delicious, but they're super simple to make as well. And I'll also be showing you guys a non-alcoholic version to satisfy your kids and teens' sweet tooth. So grab your favorite rosé wine and let's make some gummy bears. The ingredients you'll need for the gummy bears include a third of a cup of rosé, an additional quarter cup of rosé, 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup, half a cup of sugar, 3 packets of gelatin, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of citric acid. And you will also need a gummy bear mold. To kick off this recipe, you first want to add all of your gelatin into your quarter cup of rosé. Give it a gentle stir and set it aside to bloom. Next, in a medium pot, you want to add your sugar, your corn syrup, and your remaining third of a cup of rosé. You want to bring this up to a boil over medium heat, and once it comes up to a boil, reduce the heat to a low simmer and let it simmer for approximately 10 minutes. After your 10 minutes, you want to remove it from the heat and whisk in your bloomed gelatin mixture, as well as your citric acid, and just stir until completely dissolved. Then you want to go ahead and strain your mixture over a medium bowl in order to catch any of your air bubbles. Now that our gummy bear liquid is done and smelling absolutely delicious, we're going to place our gummy bear mold on top of a baking sheet. Then you want to go ahead and use this little handy dandy tool called a dropper to fill each of your gummy bear cavities all the way.
Your voice sounds like a lullaby that makes me feel all warm inside. Oh, what is this presence in me? I just can't seem to fathom how sweet your words can be. Tell me, my sweet honey, do you feel the same way I do? 'Cause you're just so beautiful.
Thank you guys so much for joining me on the channel once again. I've been like eating this nonstop while filming this video. They're so addictive. I hope that you guys give this recipe a try. These are perfect for your New Year's party, if you're hanging out with friends, or if you're just having a Netflix and chill day. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share the video so more people can be exposed to this amazing recipe. As always, remember to keep things simple yet elegant, and I hope that the new year may bring you guys great fortune, positivity, and luck. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!